One thing that I learned today was about Autoscaling group in AWS. It's a service that helps you scale out or scale in your EC2 instances based on load. There are different strategies based on which you can scale out or scale in. One is the predictive scaling, where you're forecasting the load based on the data that you have. The second is time-based scaling, where you are scaling out based on time that you know there will be load. The third is dynamic scaling, where you're tracking a particular metric using CloudWatch alarms and you're scaling out based on that particular metric. There are different ways you could do that. One is step scaling, where you have the most control, where you can incrementally increase or decrease the number of instances that you have based on the metric that you're tracking. The second is target tracking scaling, where you're tracking a particular metric across the ASG, and based on that particular metric, you're scaling up and down. When creating an ASG, you can specify the minimum, maximum, and the desired value of EC2 instances in your ASG. The scaling policies will help you reach that particular number. The instances that are created during the scaling process follow a launch template so that the EC2 instances are uniform across the board.